Hello and welcome to Gattefossé Tech Chats. The aim of this format is to deliver a short presentation on our products in 5 minutes. This presentation is about lipid-based formulations in soft gelatin capsules. Soft gelatin capsule represents the ideal dosage form for lipid-based formulation. Why? Because you can maximize the amount of lipid-based ingredient up to 100%. As a reminder, lipid-based excipients are generally liquids and few are semi-solids. So if you want to make a tablet, their use is limited to very low amounts. Also, soft gelatin capsule is an easy process. Third, you have multiple choices of gelatin shells, and this is important if you want to fine-tune your dissolution profile or even if you want to optimize a long-term stability. Now, there are a few cons. You need a specific liquid filling machine or subcontract to CMOs. Your formulation should have a low viscosity at 30 degrees. And gelatin is sensitive, so surfactants can induce incompatibilities. This is a setup of a soft gelatin capsule machine. The product material is filled in a tank and then injected into the gelatin ribbon. Encapsulation is done directly in the die roller around 30 degrees and then capsules fall on the conveyor belt. So, for liquid formulation, it is straightforward from simple mixture to capsule filling. For semi-solid formulation, the melted formulation should be sufficiently liquid at 30-35 degrees to be encapsulated. A capsule compatibility study is mandatory during your drug development. Gelatin capsule contains about 15% of moisture, so it is sensitive when it is exposed to elevated relative humidity. So we recommend to store a capsule formulation with relative humidity between 25% and 55% in order to avoid any issues. Also, the presence of aldehydes or formaldehydes can generate cross-linking of the gelatin, and this can induce a reduction of solubility in water during dissolution. So please check your capsule supplier if you have any issue to optimize the shell composition. In this slide, you can see the Gattefossé excipient you can use if you want to make a formulation for soft gelatin capsule. The two first groups are liquid excipient. The first one are liquids and fall in the category of oily vehicles. There are 3 different ingredients: masin CC, labrafac lipo, and PCol. The difference between those excipients are the fatty acid chain lengths they have. They are all glycerides. The second group of liquids are in the category of surfactant or co-surfactant, such as labrazole ALF. ALF stands for aldehyde free, so it is really specific for soft gelatin capsule. Labrafil, 2 different grades, the M1944CS and the M2125CS. The difference between these labrafil again are based on the fatty acid chain length. Capriol 90, lauroglycol 90, there are 2 propylene glycol esters, and pluraloleic FCC 497 is a polyglycerol ester. The last group is semi-solid excipient. There are only 2 here. Geloil SC. Geloil SC is actually a specific ingredient for soft gelatin capsule. SC stands for soft gelatin capsule. And Gelucir 4414, but this one really needs to be combined with liquid excipient in order to be encapsulated in soft gelatin capsule. I would like now to end with 5 slides presenting market reference of lipid-based formulation in soft gelatin capsules. The first one is on drugs, antiviral, anti-cancer. they have been often formulated in self-emulsifying lipid formulation called SELF or in oily formulation. For those type of drugs, Gattefossé recommends to use labrazole ALF, Capriol 90 or transcutol HP to make a SELF. For liposoluble vitamins, like vitamin D derivatives, there are a lot of references that are oily formulations. Gattefossé recommends the use of Geloida C, Mazine CC, or Labrafac Lipo. For cyclosporine A, which was the first SED or SMEDs in the market, there are today many generics with different formulations. We recommend labrazole ALF, Mazine CC, Labrafil M2125CS, Loroglycol 90, Pluraloleic 3,1 or Transcutol HP. For hormones, these molecules are generally very lipophilic. We recommend Labrafil M2125CS, Mazine CC or Loroglycol 90. For tretinoins, again, they are all formulated in oily formulation. We recommend Geloida C. Last but not least, the medicinal cannabinoids. There is already a market reference called dronabinol with an oily formulation with sesame oil, but there are a lot of projects running today with lipid-based formulation formulating THC and CBD. Both APR are lipophilic, so Gattefossé recommends to use Mazine CC, Labrafac Lipo, Geloida C, and both Labrafils. Okay, so see you soon for another Tech Chats.